Hello, welcome to IT Expert YouTube video series. Today we are going to talk about prompt engineering, a fascinating domain within the realm of artificial intelligence. In today's script, we will delve into what prompt engineering is, who should consider learning it, what is included in its scope, the benefits it offers, and some valuable resources to get started. What is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering involves the intentional design and formulation of prompts or instructions given to machine learning models to guide their output or behavior. It aims to optimize the performance, accuracy, and relevance of AI-generated content by crafting effective and precise input queries or instructions. Key aspects of prompt engineering include understanding the model, grasping the capabilities, strengths, and limitations of the underlying machine learning model being used, crafting precise prompts, formulating clear, concise, and specific prompts or queries tailored to the task the model needs to perform, optimizing inputs, iteratively refining prompts to elicit desired responses and achieve the intended outcomes from the model, accounting for bias and fairness, addressing biases and ensuring fairness in the prompts to mitigate potential ethical issues or skewed results, fine-tuning and experimentation. Conducting experiments to optimize prompt structures and content, often through trial and error or utilizing techniques like hyperparameter tuning. Adapting to tasks and domains. Modifying prompts according to different tasks, datasets, or domains to enhance the model's adaptability and performance. Monitoring model output. Continuously assessing the model's responses to prompts to evaluate performance and make necessary adjustments for improvement. Iterative process. Engaging in an iterative process of refining prompts based on the model's performance and adjusting inputs accordingly to achieve better results. Who should learn prompt engineering? Various professionals and individuals can benefit from learning prompt engineering. Data scientists and machine learning engineers. Those involved in developing and training machine learning models can enhance model performance by mastering prompt engineering techniques. AI researchers and practitioners. Professionals working in artificial intelligence, natural language processing, or related fields can improve the effectiveness of their models by understanding and implementing optimal prompts. Software developers and engineers. Individuals working on integrating AI models into applications or systems can leverage prompt engineering to refine model outputs for better user experiences. Ethical AI practitioners. Those concerned with ensuring ethical and fair AI implementations can learn prompt engineering to mitigate biases and ethical concerns in AI-generated content. Content creators and marketers. Individuals aiming to generate specific content or tailor messages using AI models can benefit from understanding how to design prompts to achieve desired outputs. Educators and researchers. Professionals in academia can explore prompt engineering to design experiments and analyze AI model behaviors for various research purposes. Anyone interested in AI applications. Enthusiasts keen on understanding and utilizing AI technologies can learn prompt engineering to optimize AI model performance for different applications and tasks. What is included in prompt engineering? Prompt engineering involves several key components and techniques. Understanding model architecture. Grasping the architecture, capabilities, and limitations of the underlying machine learning model being used. Analyzing data and tasks. Understanding the dataset and task requirements to formulate prompts that align with the intended task or goal. Prompt formulation. Crafting clear, concise, and specific prompts or queries that guide the model toward desired outputs. Hyperparameter tuning. Experimenting with different prompt structures, lengths, and formats to optimize model performance. Handling bias and fairness. Addressing biases in prompts to ensure fair and unbiased model responses, considering ethical implications. Fine-tuning and iteration. Iteratively refining prompts based on model performance, adjusting inputs to improve output relevance and accuracy. Experimentation and evaluation. Conducting experiments to test the effectiveness of different prompts and evaluating their impact on model behavior. Adapting to domains and tasks. Modifying prompts to suit various domains, datasets, or tasks to enhance model adaptability and performance. Monitoring and analysis. Continuously monitoring model outputs generated by different prompts to analyze patterns, errors, and areas for improvement. Feedback loop integration. Incorporating feedback from model outputs into prompt refinement to iteratively enhance the model's performance. Documentation and best practices. Documenting successful prompt strategies and establishing best practices for prompt engineering methodologies. Ethical considerations. Considering ethical implications in prompt design to ensure responsible AI use and mitigate potential biases or harmful outcomes. Benefits of prompt engineering. The benefits of prompt engineering include enhanced model performance. Optimal prompts can significantly improve the accuracy, relevance, and quality of AI model outputs. Improved task specificity. Crafting precise prompts allows for more tailored and task-specific model responses, increasing the model's effectiveness. Reduced bias and fairness. Thoughtfully designed prompts can help mitigate biases and promote fairness in AI-generated content. Efficient model training. Well-engineered prompts can expedite model training by guiding the model towards desired behaviors or outcomes. Customization and adaptability. Prompt engineering enables customization for different tasks, domains, or datasets, enhancing the model's adaptability. Iterative improvement. Iterative refinement of prompts based on model performance leads to continuous enhancement of model accuracy and relevance. Better user experience. Fine-tuned prompts contribute to generating more relevant and useful outputs, improving user satisfaction with AI-driven applications. Ethical AI implementation. Addressing ethical considerations in prompt design fosters responsible AI usage, reducing the risk of unintended consequences or biased outputs. Time and resource efficiency. Optimized prompts can save time and resources by guiding the model to produce more accurate outputs, reducing the need for extensive retraining or adjustments. Facilitates research and development. Prompt engineering aids researchers and developers in exploring model behaviors, fostering innovation, and advancing AI technologies. Resources for learning prompt engineering. Online courses and tutorials. Coursera or Udemy courses on natural language processing or machine learning often cover aspects of prompt engineering. FASI Practical Deep Learning for Coders course might touch upon prompt engineering concepts. Books. Natural Language Processing in Action by Lane, Howard, and Hapke offers insights into NLP techniques including prompt engineering. The 100-page machine learning book by Andrei Burkov covers fundamental ML concepts that are crucial for prompt engineering. Blogs and articles. OpenAI's blog and research papers often provide insights into prompt engineering and related topics. Towards Data Science, Medium, and other tech-focused platforms feature articles on NLP and AI prompt techniques. GitHub repositories. Explore repositories related to NLP, AI, and machine learning where researchers often share code, models, and techniques related to prompt engineering. Academic papers and journals. Archive, ACL Anthology, and other academic databases host research papers on NLP and AI that delve into prompt engineering methodologies. Community forums and discussions. Subreddits like Our Machine Learning and Our Language Technology, or forums like Stack Overflow often have discussions around NLP and prompt engineering techniques. Online webinars and conferences. Attending webinars or conferences like NER IPS, ACL, or AI-related events often includes discussions or workshops on prompt engineering. Hands-on practice platforms. Kaggle, Hugging Face, and AI ML competitions offer practical challenges where you can apply prompt engineering techniques. OpenAI documentation and blogs. OpenAI's official documentation and blog posts frequently discuss their models and prompt engineering strategies. Example 1. Text generation. Task. Generating creative text. Traditional prompt. Write a story about a cat. Prompt engineering. Craft a suspenseful narrative featuring a mischievous cat that leads to an unexpected twist. Explanation. In this example, the prompt has been engineered to provide more specific guidance to the model. The language used prompts the AI to generate a story with a particular tone, suspenseful, and theme mischievous cat with an unexpected twist. Example 2. Language translation. Task. Translating English to French. Traditional prompt. Translate the following English text: Hello, how are you? Prompt engineering. Translate this casual English greeting into formal French: Hello, how are you? Explanation. By adding specificity to the prompt, the user guides the model to produce a translation with a particular tone, formal rather than a generic translation. This showcases how prompt engineering can be used to fine-tune the style of the output. Example 3. Question answering. Task. Retrieving specific information. Traditional prompt. Find information about Abraham Lincoln. Prompt engineering. Provide concise details about Abraham Lincoln's role in the Civil War and its impact on American history. Explanation. The engineered prompt narrows down the focus, guiding the model to deliver more targeted information related to Abraham Lincoln's role in the Civil War and its broader historical significance. 15 interviews questions. Can you describe a challenging project you worked on and how you overcame obstacles? In my previous role, I was tasked with implementing a new system upgrade. Despite encountering technical issues, I led a cross-functional team, prioritized tasks, and resolved issues by collaborating with technical support and conducting extensive testing. How do you handle tight deadlines and prioritize tasks? I utilize time management techniques like setting SMART goals, breaking tasks into smaller steps, and using tools like to-do lists or project management software. I prioritize based on urgency and impact, ensuring critical tasks are completed first. Explain a situation where you had to resolve a conflict within a team. In a previous project, differing opinions arose on the approach to solving an issue. I facilitated an open discussion, encouraged active listening, found common ground, and guided the team towards a compromise that integrated the best aspects of each idea. How do you stay updated with industry trends and technologies? I regularly attend workshops, webinars, and industry conferences. Additionally, I subscribe to relevant journals and online forums, participate in professional networks, and allocate time for continuous learning through online courses or certifications. Tell us about a time when you demonstrated leadership skills. I led a project where I delegated tasks according to team strengths, provided guidance, and motivated team members to achieve our goals. By maintaining open communication and recognizing individual contributions, we successfully completed the project ahead of schedule. How do you handle failure or setbacks? I view setbacks as learning opportunities. After a setback, I analyze what went wrong, identify areas for improvement, and adapt my approach. I believe in resilience and use setbacks as stepping stones to grow personally and professionally. Describe your approach to working in a team environment. I thrive in collaborative settings. I actively listen to team members, respect diverse perspectives, contribute my ideas, and support others to collectively achieve our objectives. I am adaptable and flexible to different working styles. Can you discuss a time when you had to learn a new skill or technology quickly? In a previous role, a new software tool was introduced, and I needed to become proficient in it within a short time frame. I dedicated extra hours, utilized online tutorials, and sought guidance from colleagues, enabling me to grasp the tool effectively. How do you handle high-pressure situations or tight deadlines? I maintain composure by breaking down tasks into manageable parts, prioritizing based on urgency, and communicating effectively with stakeholders. I also remain adaptable and focus on problem-solving under pressure. What motivates you in your professional life? I am driven by challenges that allow me to expand my skill set and make meaningful contributions. Recognition for my efforts, opportunities for growth, and contributing to impactful projects also motivate me. Describe a situation where you had to adapt to a major change at work. In a restructuring phase, my role expanded to include additional responsibilities. I embraced the change, sought guidance, and proactively acquired the necessary skills to excel in my extended role. How do you ensure attention to detail in your work? I adopt a systematic approach by double-checking my work, creating checklists, and utilizing tools or software for accuracy. I value precision and consistently review my work before finalizing it. Can you discuss a successful project where you exceeded expectations? In a recent project, I led a team that surpassed key performance metrics by implementing innovative strategies and fostering strong collaboration. Our results exceeded initial expectations and received positive recognition from stakeholders. How do you handle constructive criticism? I consider constructive criticism as valuable feedback for personal and professional growth. I actively listen, reflect on the feedback, and use it to improve my skills and performance. What do you know about our company, and why do you want to work here? I have researched your company's values, culture, and recent achievements. I am impressed by the innovative approaches you take in specific aspect, and I believe my skills align well with the company's goals. I am excited about the opportunity to contribute to such a dynamic environment. In conclusion, prompt engineering is a powerful skill set that empowers individuals to shape the outputs of AI models. Whether you are a seasoned data scientist or a newcomer to the world of AI, understanding how to craft effective prompts is a valuable asset. So, seize the opportunity, dive into the resources available, and explore the limitless possibilities of prompt engineering in the realm of artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching this prompt engineering overview. If you want to dive deeper into this tool, stay tuned for our upcoming tutorials video. We provide hands-on training with labs, homework, group projects, prepare you for the certification, provide real projects, internship opportunities, support you in Resume LinkedIn, staffing support, provide tech references, in-person online class retake options, and more. Call us at 847-350-9034 for your free career consultation meeting. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest videos.